Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator, here with a very important information for you. Yes, so you have been asking me about various chapters, various classes. So you asked me why are you not regular in the videos. So I will tell you the reason for that. So I have been planning lot of things for you. You know, I came up with lot of things in the channel. So firstly, when the channel started, not within 2 months, I came up with a 45-day free course. Do you remember the students who have joined? Remember it very well. In Corona time, I came up with a 45-day course, okay, wherein I taught them 4 chapters within those 45 days. Okay, with the help of a WhatsApp group, so that's how I started. And then slowly, now when the schools did not start, I started special classes for government school students, free classes. But there were a lot of disturbance. That also I started with the help of WhatsApp group and Zoom classes. But there was also a lot of disturbance there, which was not working so good. So now I planned a different thing for you. Okay, so I have been thinking since long, and I have came up with a wonderful idea. So I wanted my students to learn the lesson, okay, learn the concept through the video lessons, okay, through live classes, through video lessons. You can learn the concepts, chapters, and then you have to give mock test, because just learning the concept is really not important. You have to give test. Okay, only when you attempt a test, it is then you know whether you have learned the concept perfectly or not. So which is not really possible here in this platform. So I have been planning, as I told you, I have been working on this since many days, and I wanted to give you PDF notes. So the students who know me well before, they know that I have been sharing you worksheets, free worksheets in WhatsApp. How many of you remember it? So the students who remember it, do comment and let me know how many of you took free worksheets. So I used to give free worksheets, okay, when the subscriber count was less, but now it has been really difficult for me to share the worksheets for each and every student through WhatsApp. It is really difficult. So now all these hurdles, I just want to overcome all these hurdles and come a step closer to you. So now I'm going to announce what I have planned for you, right? So all these things I have been doing for you, and now this is the biggest step I have taken. So yes, the wait is over. We are going to stay closer. We are going to connect with each other even more closer through an app. Yes, I'm going to launch an app. So as you all might be aware of it, okay, so apps, they give you the features of live classes, recorded classes, PDFs, notes, mock test, model papers, and lot of things, isn't it? But an app, managing and maintaining an app, yes, it is really costly, right? So I was thinking many times whether to take this step or not, but then I thought, let me take this step. I have been helping you through all the ways, as I mentioned. So now I have come up with this. But for this app, as I told you, it is cost consuming process. Okay, so I have to invest few things in this. So to cut the cost, I will charge you a minimal amount of 1,000 rupees. Right? So wait. Don't be in a hurry. Don't jump to conclusions. Let me tell you clearly. You know, your Divya ma'am gave you lot of things for free, and now when she's saying 1,000, it is not 1,000 for 1 month. It is not 1,000 for 2 months. It is not 1,000 for 3 months. Trust me, it is 1,000 for 4 months. Right? For 4 months, I am costing 1,000 rupees. Now why am I costing this? So firstly, let me tell you completely. So firstly, for class 10 students, I'm launching a course because they are in real need of a course. They wanted live classes from me. They wanted mock tests. They wanted PDFs. I see many WhatsApp messages in my WhatsApp, but but I cannot reply to each and every message, and I'm not able to forward you the worksheets for each and every student. So earlier I used to send you Vedic Max worksheets, I used to send you chapter wise worksheets, but now as the count increased, as a family increased, it has been difficult for me to give you replies or give you the worksheets for free, right? Through WhatsApp, each and every person I have to send the worksheet. It is really tedious. So now my plan here is, so I have come up with a 4-month crash course for class 10. Okay, now all the other classes also please listen, because after this within 10 days I'm going to start courses for you also. Okay, so listen to this. So you know where in the market you will find this price. Okay, so let me listen to everything which I am saying. Okay, then you decide, right? So 4 months crash course it is, wherein you will have the live classes, wherein you will have PDFs, wherein you will have mock test, as I wanted all these for my students. Okay, so this is a package, and for this 4 months course you are going to pay me 1000 rupees. For 4 months course you are going to pay me 1000 rupees. That means 250 per month. Okay, and if you calculate it day wise, it is only 8 rupees per day. 8 rupees per day. I'm going to give you live classes, chapter wise notes, PDFs, mock test, and so on. And you will have doubt clearing session, doubt solving session, everything will be included in the course, right? And it is only 1000 for 4 months, right? So ask your parents to sit along with you. If you have seen this video, ask your parents to see this video, show this video to your parents, and we are going to launch this on 28th December. Okay, 28th December. So on 28th December I'll be live. So ask your parents to watch the live, because they are going to invest in this, and they know very well, for 1000 rupees for 4 months, for 250 rupees for 1 month, for 8 rupees per day, you don't even get a tea to drink. Yes, it's not even the cost of a chips packet which you eat. 250 is not the cost of a biryani which you eat, right, for 1 month. And I am giving you so many things in this, right? And the same thing I am planning for class 9 and class 8. Okay, class 6, class 7 also. So simultaneously one after the other I'll be planning. And not only paid courses, free content also will be available on the app. Okay, like I used to give worksheets for free, the same worksheets I will upload in the app, so that you can come after learning a chapter, you can revise the worksheet. Okay, you'll have free mock test also. So everything I'm working on it, but on 28th we are going to launch the app. The first thing first, we are going to launch the app, and firstly I'm going to start crash course for class 10. And in the app you will find the courses, as I told you, they are very low cost. If you compare it with market prices, 250 per month, you will not even get a tuition. Normal tuition also you will not get, but we are giving you so many things for 250 per month. Okay, and so you every course you will find for such minimal cost. Okay, and also you will find free content. Okay, so firstly you will have to download the app. The details I'll tell you on 28th December. Okay, so it's a surprise for you. And before that I have created a Telegram channel, as most of you know it. So Telegram channel is free. Okay, it is free, it is completely free. It's like WhatsApp. For those who don't know, it's just like WhatsApp, wherein I can give you messages. Like now every time I cannot do a video and tell you, so I can give you message that okay, this PDF is uploaded and it is for free, so you can go and check in the app. Okay, so I can give you messages like what is uploaded, what is free, and what is for paid course. Okay, so everything will be dealt in the Telegram channel, right? So every information I'll give you in the Telegram channel. So do download Telegram app. Okay, Telegram app, it's like WhatsApp, it is not my app, it's like WhatsApp. So download Telegram channel, and the link of my channel I'll give you in the description box below. So just join the channel, it is free, wherein I will give you information about the free content and the paid content, right? And as I told you, managing the app, maintaining the app is little costly. So these are the minimal cost which I am charging you. And I know my students understand this, because I have been doing lot of things for free, and they know very well what I am doing, right? So don't forget 28th December, mark your calendars. So ask your parents also to see this video. because so nowhere in market you are going to get this. They know it very well, right? And 4 months are really crucial for us. We have to work hard, we have to work very much to reach our goal, right? So I hope you to see you soon there, and download the Telegram channel right now. Just join the Telegram channel right now. If you don't have Telegram app, download it from the Play Store. It's free, it's like WhatsApp. Download it and join my channel. Link I'll give you in the description. Join my channel. All the information related to the app and the courses and the free content I will be posting in the Telegram channel. It will be like a communication between you and me, right? Because always I cannot do a video, right? So I'll see you there, and thank you for being supporting me, and I am expecting your support in future also, and I'll be there for you in all your walks. So I'll see you there on 28 December. So let's have a grand launch, and for all classes I'm planning a lot of things, so stay tuned and surprises are waiting for you. Thank you.